This project is by far the easiest tutorial I've ever made on this channel, and it's a simple ladybug. You can make this from basically any size piece of wood, as long as the details don't get too small. A 1x1 inch whittling block is great. A similar size tree branch is also great, especially since with a tree branch we already have half of the first shape we're gonna make. So the first shape we're gonna make is a simple dome, and it's gonna be slightly oval like this, but then the back end is going to be pointy. So there's a tiny corner over here on the back. So first we can take off some of this extra wood from here, here, here and here. We don't want to separate this entirely from the rest of the wood, because this is going to be much easier to hold on to this way. But it's good to get a little bit of that top profile shape. Before we go any further, now it's a good time to split this in half. And one of the easiest ways of doing this is this right here. And then we can continue making the dome shape. So we can take this edge down too. Make this entire end round. Rough cuts work very well for this, but then when you need to take off smaller bits, these push cuts come in very handy. So now the goal is just to make this rounder and smoother. Now the options for rounding this part are basically this or this. But even though with this one it might seem like I'm cutting towards myself, there's this V-cut here to protect me, so if I slip it goes right in there. But also I'm using this thumb over here to push against the knife. And then I'm making these cutting movements just by twisting my wrist over here. So I'm not pulling the knife against myself with my arm. I'm just twisting my wrist like this. And right now I'm just making smaller cuts to make the shape smoother and rounder and more symmetrical. Once you feel satisfied with the basic shape, then it's time to make this line. Just a straight line like this. It's about 1/4 of the length of the entire thing. And then we're gonna make some V-cuts. Over here, on the bottom, they can be slightly bigger. Something like this. And then the rest of the line is gonna be carved away with smaller V-cuts. These ones on the very top are the thinnest of them all. And then I'm rounding the edge of the V-cut with very small push cuts. Something like that. Then we're gonna make another line. It's gonna be slightly different. This one is gonna take about 1/3 of this length. So a straight line over here, and then 2 more lines. Something like that. And now we do the same thing over here. The bottom 2 V-cuts on both sides can be slightly bigger. And then we make smaller cuts. And then this one. like that. Next we're gonna make this line. So in the middle here, we need a straight line that's gonna be carved away with V-cuts. So I'm just gently pressing the blade into the wood and making this very tiny V-cut. And over here I'm making this extra little detail, which is this triangular shape. Now the only thing left to do is taking this extra bit of wood off. So I'm gonna continue these V-cuts until I can remove the extra wood.